Hey y'all. So I'm just sitting here cooling. Like, yeah. On my laptop. Oh, hey, phone ring. Hello. Oh, hold on. Let me call him. Okay. Here you come, motherfucker. I said here he come, motherfucker. Hey, y'all, it's time for you. I don't know who the fuck it is.
Well,
so.
Hey, bitch,
Yeah,
I told you to stop calling my fucking phone.
Hang
up, hoe! Fuck you!
Why you so loud?
Because I can't stand that bitch.
Okay, well. Okay. So, I'm like sitting here chilling on my laptop. My baby sister getting into shit. Bro, I got a song for y'all. Y'all want to hear my song? I'm about to sing my song. Okay? You want to help me sing my song? You got to make the beat, Fat. Come on, make the beat. You know I'm trying to get on this record deal. Come on, Fat. I can't hear you all the way in there. Fat. Dang, boy. You ready? That ain't the beat we just made. Okay, I got a song for y'all. That's my new song I just made up. Okay. How you doing? My name is Kiki. Last name Mitchell. I was wondering if you could take me out. Show me a good time. Invite me to your house. Here is my number. Boy, you get quiet. And don't forget it, babe. My name is Kiki. Hey, y'all like my new song? I like it. Y'all like it. I know y'all like it. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to be back later, bro. Bye.